Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn on your PS4 and connect it to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Sign into your PlayStation Network account on the PS4 if prompted by the system. Open the YouTube app on the PS4 and navigate to the left menu to find Sign In. Have your phone or computer nearby and ready to access a browser. Visit YouTube.com/pair on your secondary device when the PS4 displays a pairing code. Keep both devices on the same network for a smoother pairing experience. Open YouTube.com/pair on your phone or computer and sign into the desired Google account. On the PS4 YouTube app, choose Sign In and record the 8-digit pairing code shown on screen. Type that 8-digit code into the browser field labeled Enter Code and then select Link. Wait a few seconds for the confirmation message to appear on both devices. After linking, your subscriptions and playlists will be available on the PS4. You can now control playback from your phone or use the PS4 controller directly. Control playback from the PS4 controller or your phone after successful pairing and enjoy playlists. To cast a video, tap the cast icon in the YouTube app and select PlayStation 4 as the target. If the pairing fails, ensure both devices use the same Wi-Fi network and then retry the pairing process. Restart the YouTube app on the PS4 and restart your router if network problems continue. Sign out and repeat the pairing, or update the YouTube app on the PS4 if problems persist. Unlink unused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.